wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Hello, my name is Nadia Rosmita Lumako. Here I will explain two material about cell and cell organelles, as well as spermatogenesis and oogenesis. First, I will explain cell and cell organelles. Red blood cells are usually about 10 micrometer in diameter. Not very large. You can have sperm cells. They are about 50 micrometer long. Not very big, but you have nervous cells. They are about 1 meter long. So the cell can vary. The cells work together toward their main function, and from tissues such as connective tissues, nervous tissues, epithelial tissues, so cells are the basis unit of life. The similarity of one cell to another cell. The nucleus is a container for genetic material, cytoplasm on flat inside cell, and all subcellular structure which we call organelles. The nucleolus is an accumulation of RNA and some protein. The raw endoplasmic reticulum actual has 200 reticulum. Raw because it is tied with all the red dots that we call ribosomes. Ribosomes function to take the RNA that has just come out of the nucleus. They read it and convert it in amino acid. Thus attached to the raw endoplasmic reticulum carry the hair protein so they can be embedded in the raw endoplasma reticulum and pasted on that something called the Golgi apparatus. The grand structure is the Golgi apparatus is membrane-bound organelle. The Golgi apparatus slightly changes the packaging material provided to it from the raw endoplasma reticulum. For example, some changes that can be made are adding some object at the end, like flag, that can tell the protein where to go and what to do after being pushed out of the cell, describing a small bubble that passes through the cell wall and will release in component protein component made by the raw endoplasma reticulum are slightly modified and moved to other places throughout the body and are destined to be exported out of the body. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosome in it, which means it does not produce protein, but what it does produce are lipids. These are fat that play an important role in detoxification, which means it can take up certain drugs and compounds and break it down in one of the body organs. The body does this because its main role in the heart, the liver, heart, a small endoplasmic reticulum in the large amount. Mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP. It can take up glucose, sugar, and oxygen together produce ATP. One glucose molecule and produce between 32 and 36 ATP molecules so that mitochondria produce energy, and it also has its own DNA and can make itself divide through binary fission. In cell, around 75% to 18% is water, but the second most abundant substance is protein. You can see that you can have structural and functional protein like microtubules that are basically like the scaffolding of cells that hold them together, but they can also have an important role when a cell wants to make another copy of itself. Lysosomes are small vesicles They are separated from the Golgi, and lysosomes have an important role in the breaking down substance. Peroxisomes do not come from the Golgi apparatus, and what the peroxisome does is breaking things down using oxygen, so what it does is deoxidize substance so it can take oxygen and hydrogen and fix something called hydrogen peroxide and use it to breaking things down specifically break down fatty acids. When we look at the cell, it is surrounded by a double layer of phospholipid, which means there is a lot of the fat embedded. In the end, we know that fat just let fatty things in and out. The image depicts a diagram illustrating the process of spermatogenesis, which is the production of sperma cell in the testes. The diagram begins with a cell containing two pairs of chromosomes, represented by one blue and one red chromosome in a pairs. The cell undergoes a process called meiosis, a type of cell division that reduces the number of chromosomes in a cell by half. The image shows a diagram illustrating in the process of oogenesis, the production of egg cell in the ovary. It begins with a cell containing two pairs of chromosomes, one blue and one red in a pairs. The cell undergoes meiosis, a type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half.